Hey viewers, welcome to Mom and Family. In this video, we are going to talk about why honey is not recommended for children or babies who are less than 1 year of age. इफ़ यू वुड लाइक टू सी द हिंदी वर्जन या फिर आप इस वीडियो को हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो हम ये वीडियो ऑलरेडी हिंदी में बना चुके हैं। उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में प्रेजेंट है, आप वहाँ जा कर के इस वीडियो को देख सकते हैं। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। So basically, if we go by the Indian age-old tradition, or if we talk to our mom, mother-in-law, or our grandparents, they would all tell us that honey has been given to babies in India for quite some time, and it has been given to babies very early or very young in age. They would also tell you that if your baby is teething, then you can take a little bit of honey and massage his or her gums, and baby would find a lot of relief from that. But if you would like to go with the new pediatric guidelines, then you would come to know that honey is not at all recommended for babies which are less than 1 year of age. The reason that honey is not recommended for babies under 1 year of age is that some types of honey could be contaminated by the spores of a bacterium. The name of the bacterium is Clostridium botulinum. Hope I'm pronouncing it right, and if I haven't pronounced it right, then please forgive me. The point that I'm trying to make is that some types of honey could be contaminated with the spores of this bacteria, and once these spores enter into our baby's body, so let's say if we feed baby the honey and then these spores of the bacterium enter baby's body, then they can produce a toxin, and this toxin can cause the rare condition in babies which is called as infant botulism. If you go online and you read about infant botulism, then you can read that the worst outcome of infant botulism could be paralysis in babies. So it can trigger this rare disease, and the worst outcome that this disease can have is paralysis in babies. So that is why honey is not at all recommended for babies which are under 1 year of age. Now the question that would come to your mind is, what changes as soon as my baby turns 1 year of age that I can give honey to the baby? Because the honey that I'm feeding to the baby could still be contaminated with the spores of this bacterium. Because it's very difficult for us as consumers of honey to know like which honey is contaminated and which is not. So the explanation is that once the baby is 1 year of age, their digestive system, like their stomach, their intestines, have matured enough that even if the honey is contaminated with the spores of this bacterium and the baby eats this honey, then the digestive system kills these spores, or these spores are destroyed in the digestive system, so they cannot cause any harm, like they cannot produce the toxin and trigger the rare condition of infant botulism. So that is why once your baby is beyond 1 year of age, that you can feed them honey. So hopefully this video has provided you a good explanation as to why honey should not be fed to babies who are under 1 year of age. I would personally recommend that if your baby is under 1 year of age, then do not feed honey to them. So if you liked our video and found it helpful and informative, then please like the video and share it with as many new moms and dads as you know. And also subscribe to our channel Mom and Family. We bring new videos every week. So thank you for watching Mom and Family. See you again with a new video. Bye for now.